My smoke alarm beeped once loudly, then was and has been silent with a red light flashing every 10 seconds. I replaced battery a year ago in June, so it's been 15 months. Time to replace battery.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just happened tonight.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No, I'd call an electrician. It is unreachable alarm.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can I expect it to beep again soon or?
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. Smoke alarms can beep for a variety of reasons and not just limited to low voltage on a battery. Loose wires, dirty smoke chamber, power interruptions, etc. Can also contribute to a smoke going into an alarm or chirp mode. 2. Yes, it is recommended to replace smoke alarm batteries once every 12 months. 3. The life expectancy of smoke alarms is approximately 10 years and need to be replaced accordingly for optimal performance.
Okay, great. I'll call my electrician tomorrow morning. This alarm is on high ceiling, so large ladder needed.
Yes, I understand on the high ceiling. Been down that road before, no problem, glad to assist. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Any other questions?
No other questions, thanks. Had the batteries replaced. The battery was stock kit and was the problem.
Thank you for the feedback. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great weekend. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.